Welcome back. Let's talk about installing a red dot on your M&P 2.0s or whatever gun you got. They all install the same way. A couple of things you do need prior to doing this. You need your red dot. You need your plate for the gun. We'll get into that in a minute. Your screwdriver that comes with it to torque your screws or put your screws in. You need a torque wrench that's in inch pounds, not pounds, but inch pounds. I always have my dental pick there. And if you notice here, I have two different Loctites, liquid and a paste. These ones are kind of cool. I like this one, kind of like a chapstick tube. I prefer Loctite 248. One, because the paste will stay on the threads and stay there. Won't go into the gun. With this thread locker, if you put too much, it could drain into the gun, and you don't want that thread locker going into your internal parts there, because it would not be a good day. So the first thing you want to do to your gun, and I already did this to save time, make sure the gun is empty. No rounds in it because you don't want to boo-boo. You're going to want to take these two screws off on top here. I already did to save time. Take this plate off. All that is a plate for here. And I talked about this plate right here. One of the reasons you need this, because these M&Ps have these two little divots here. And if you were to put your red dot on it, it rocks. It doesn't fit. So if you actually take your plate, this one came with the gun, the M&P 2.0s do, you can put it on there. And you'll see that it's all flush. There's the two little prongs right there to fit right here in your red dot. All you're gonna do is, I have my screws in there. It's already got the Loctite on it. These little prongs here to those little holes right there. There we go. It's on there nice and tight. Now I will take my screwdriver, pick one side, and slowly get the screws started. I will get it to a point to where it feels like it's starting to tighten. I'll go to the other side, do the same thing, and then put a little torque on it. And then double check this one over here. And I don't have mine with me. I left my tip at work, but this is not the right one. I would torque this to 10 pounds and then raise it up to 15 inch pounds and then finish torquing it off. That is how simple it is to install this red dot. It's on there. I'm just gonna put a little extra so I can manipulate it for you. I know I'm not anywhere close to that. But that's how simple it is. It's on there nice and tight, and you can do what you need to do. And there you go. For these Holosuns, it's easy. Front one turns it on to make sure, yep, there it is, a little green dot. And then if you want to turn these things off, you hit both of those dots at the same time, buttons I should say, and it is off. That's how simple it is to put one of these on. But before we stop, let me grab another gun over here. I was telling you, you need that plate on here because these are not a direct mount. If you get the Smith & Wesson competitor, you can get the SCS, the Holosun MP2 SCS. It is a direct mount. There is no plate right there. I don't know if you can see it, but right here, there's no plate. It's a direct mount, especially with these low profile sights. Let's go back to this one. You can see right at the bottom of this, you can see my plate right there. That's the difference. This one you need the plate. This one here is a direct mount, fits straight to the gun with no plate. That's simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, to do a quick overview, 15 inch pounds on these screws. Tomorrow when I get my bit back, I'll do that. This particular one right here is a Wheeler. It's a fat wrench they call it, and it comes with everything you need on it. I had to buy the adapter or the bit for this one because those screws are a little bit smaller than what comes with it. But if you get the fix-it sticks, they have it all on there. If you have any questions, let me know. That's how simple it is to put a red dot on a gun. And then you can go out and zero it in, and maybe we'll do one on zeroing later. Take care and have a good one. Be safe at everything you do. Have a good day.